Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Outlook calendar sync with Microsoft Exchange, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Outlook application on your computer. Navigate to the File tab located in the upper left corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings window, click on Account Settings again. Locate your Microsoft Exchange account in the list and highlight it. Click on the Change button to open the account settings. Ensure that the server field contains the correct address for your Exchange server. Next, click on More Settings to access additional options. In the new window, select the Advanced tab. Under Cached Exchange Mode, ensure that the box is checked. Adjust the slider to specify how much mail to keep offline if desired. Now, switch to the Security tab. Verify that the settings reflect your organization's security protocols. Click OK to save any modifications made. Return to the Change Account window and click Next. Once the process completes, click Finish. Close the account setting. Now, check the calendar view in Outlook to confirm synchronization. If prompted for credentials, enter your Microsoft Exchange username and password. After your credentials are accepted, your calendar should begin syncing. Give it a moment to complete the synchronization process. If you encounter any issues, double-check server settings and account credentials. For further assistance, consult your IT department or Microsoft's official support. Your Outlook calendar is now successfully authorized to sync with Microsoft Exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.